What is up, internet? It's your boy Money here. In today's video, I want to be showing you how you could have easily made $4,300 in 10 minutes or less. Let's get right into this video. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that like button twice for me. Hit that like button 3 times actually, because if you hit it twice, then you're not liking it. So yeah, hit it 3 times for me. I appreciate that. And let's get into it. So yeah, we see this break. We see this clear break of this monthly level at 47,177. We get a push up to the upside. We get a push up to our 4 hour level at 48,018. We get a fake out of this level almost up to this daily open. We go down. We retest this monthly level, easy, clear retest off a midpoint of a channel and the daily level at 47,177. So it's easy level, easy trade. You could even waited for more confirmation on the 1 minute, but we're just gonna trade our levels and get rich. So yeah, easy trade, easy retracement. Up to this level is up to this daily level at 49,206 is 4.3%. So it means if you'd have put 1,000 on 100 leverage, you'd have made 4.3K, easy, quick. It's simple. If you don't know about leverage trading, make sure you start learning about leverage trading. I'll start making some videos about leverage trading pretty soon and do a whole Bybit tutorial. If you're not signed up for Bybit already, make sure you click that link in my description. You guys have a great day. I'm out of here. Peace.